And the coin we're going to look at was Unikoin Gold. This is from a community member. Essentially, they're probably bringing this up because I know I like esports so much. This is an esports token that's striving to create its own esports betting platform. We're sitting at, there's a billion total supply and only 134 million are circulating, and we're still sitting at 122 market cap. We've came off the highs of over $2 down into this dollar range. If we go ahead and look at their website, I think we got to go to website 2. So essentially, some of the pros, they have a solid team with roots in the gaming industry, which is going to be good. The gaming industry is a very tight-knit community, and if you have negative aspects about you or people just don't like you, they're not going to adopt whatever you're trying to give them. If any of you guys are gamers, you know that. They've gone through due diligence of recognized investors such as Mark Cuban, Draper Dragon, and Digital Currency Group. Yes, Mark Cuban did get involved on their initial website and their initial program before the cryptocurrency was launched. That's interesting. Also, they're a betting platform that is tightly integrated with the gaming experience. Betting and other interactions with the game all happen in the same place. So apparently they're working on in-game integrations of the cryptocurrency, so you could be playing League of Legends. If you win your victory or you made a bet, then you will automatically get Unikoin Gold tokens sent to your wallet. They're saying it's a skill-based bet, kind of like DraftKings. Obviously gambling is illegal, so they can't say that. And then lastly, they cater to both the hardcore and casual gamers as well as speculators. So people that watch Twitch live stream gamers, they can bet on games that are going on live. They can bet on tournaments. They can do all of that. The cons with this, though, is they do have outside competition. Most of their competition is not on the blockchain. But like I said, DraftKings, you can bet on esports, and that's USD. And then also on sites like Bovada, which is a sports gambling website, you can use USD or BTC. So that already kind of has some of the cryptocurrency integration on it. They've been doing esports betting for a long time. So it'll be interesting to see if these guys can overcome their competitors. And then in the crypto space, they do have a competitor in, First Blood. First Blood is the same exact thing. They do ladders and they have gamblings and raffles and all that. I know First Blood only has Dota 2. So I do think Unikoin Gold does have an advantage on them because they're doing many more games over here. CSGO, League of Legends, Dota, all that stuff is included. If this is something that interests you, if you go over here and download their wallet, they are giving away 5 free UKG tokens, which is worth $5 now, but it's kind of interesting just to kind of see how their wallet works and how you can bet on some of these games. The problems that I have with this, though, number one, the competition, which we already kind of talked about with DraftKings and Bovada, where Bovada even takes BTC. They're going to be relying on their Unikoin token, so they're only going to be relying on their own platform because DraftKings and Bovada and all their competitors are not going to end up taking their tokens. So that's fine that they can rely on their platform, but they're really going to need adoption and gamers to really prefer betting on this one and betting on their platform versus others. Also, it may have a hard time selling the project as skill-based betting platform, so regulations can become issues, but DraftKings worked around this. We kind of talked about this as well. They're really going to have regulators come after them, and whether they're going to be able to push that it's a skill-based betting game rather than a gambling game will be interesting, especially since a lot of the esports community are underage, obviously. So like at least DraftKings, you have to be 18 or older. I don't know if they have an age limit on this as of now, which they might have to implement, which might take away from a lot of their customers. And that's about it, guys. You know, it's really hard. I don't want to get emotional with this because I do love esports. I think I'm going to keep my esports diversification on eBoost for now, and then in traditional markets. Traditional markets, I've been a long-time holder of Activision Blizzard. It's done very well for me, and I've also been holding AMD and NVIDIA as well, which kind of are dual purpose because they do the graphics cards, but then they're also used for mining software for cryptocurrency as well. I like the coin a lot. I just think that their competition is going to be a little hard to overcome, and I don't know what their upside potential is. Also, in their white paper, if you read it, UKG can actually release tokens from reserve to stabilize token prices, which obviously is going to limit the upside potential of Unikoin. And obviously, they're not going to tell you at what point they're going to release those. So I don't know what kind of upside targets they're going to have before they start dumping some of this 1 billion supply into the market. So that kind of scares me as well. I know people like it, I like it, but I'm not going to be emotional with it. And for now, I'm just going to keep an eye on it and not make a trade on it.